Now, I want to ask you, the question I'm asking you at the moment, what type of merge have we got here onto this A route? What type of merge have we got onto this A route? So, who wants to tell me what type of merge have we got onto the A route? So that's right. You have to give way. You have to slot yourself into that, into the lane.
Way.
Yeah, you have to give way. You have to, but it's not about giving way. It's more about aligning yourself with the traffic because you have to merge into the traffic. And which signal would you have on? Left signal or right signal? Who can tell me what signal you have on at this stage? Come on, guys. You're merging. What signal have you got on? Come on, come on. Yes. Right, correct. Yes. Chito, it's your right signal. Because you're merging, you can see this white line is getting lighter on the left and you're merging. Right, so now we're driving, we've merged. Right signal was on and we're on the motorway. And here we have a sign. Now, if on the left-hand side, what is this sign telling us? What is this sign telling us? Just what is it telling us about the lanes? Because that's about all you can see on that sign. I'll try and get you a little bit closer so you can see it. We are coming up to that sign.
Stop.
Okay, and what is that sign telling us? That sign is telling us something really important that you need to be reading off that leaderboard. Okay, it is telling you that the two lanes on the right are going ahead on the route you are on, and the lane on the left is going to be going off as an off ramp. So we got 3 lanes here. What it's telling you is that the 2 lanes that we have on the right hand side are going straight ahead, but the lane on the left hand side is going to whatever it says it is, and it's going off. Okay, all right, and there we go. Now we go down the road, and this lane now I'll show you. I want to show you something. There's the little cameras as well, checking speed limits right at the top, and away we go. All right, now we've merged underneath. Now this is a merge coming on to the motorway. On the right hand side we got a sign giving us a speed limit. This is an A route, so they have to give us, because there's street lamps, this would normally be 30, but because they want us to do 50 here, or allowing us to do 50, they have to give us reminder signs. So there they are on the right hand side. And then coming down the road here, in this case, this merge is just a line, it's just another lane. Now, look at the markings on the road, guys. This is so important. It's for us to be able to understand what's happening. Here, these markings are very tight. These hazard markings here are very tight for the edge of the lane. But on the right, there's a bigger space, which means these are the main road markings, and these are the merging lane markings. And you can see now what happens, that remains a merging lane up to here. Now, all of a sudden, we have 3 lanes on the highway, and they're all the same. There's no merging lane is now no longer a merging lane, it's just a lane. It's now become part of the highway. Now, it's important to know that because in the driving test, something has to happen now. If you were in a driving test, what would you have to do at this stage? Who knows this? My question is, if you were on a driving test, why would you be in danger of failing at this stage of the game if you were in the center lane? All right. So, Maria, you want to tell me? Come on, tell me, Maria.
Hello again.
Yep.
But I would indicate and move over to the left.
Why? You're right, but why?
Because you're always supposed to stay on the left.
Yeah.
Unless, of course, it's a lane that's coming off, and then you'd move over to the right again, unless you're coming off.
Okay, but you know now, because of the markings on the road, look at the markings, they are the same.
Exactly.
That lane is actually part of the A route. It's part of, it's not a going off lane, it's no longer a merging lane. It now means you have to, unless you are going a lot faster than the traffic on the left hand side, you need to move over. It sounds like you're ready for your test, Maria.
Well, I should have had it, shouldn't I? But
yeah, I know. Okay.
Debbie also said you are to continue on the left lane.
You have to continue on the left lane, that's correct.
Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more, head over to www.bds.ac, our interactive video e-learning platform. With BDS Academy, you can learn to drive online from the comfort of your home at your own pace, saving you both time and money. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.bds.ac today. We'll see you there.